Hi Roger, sorry to hear about the problem with your Hotpoint Tumble dryer. Now firstly, I'm away at the moment working remotely. I'm actually visiting appliance manufacturer and component manufacturers all over Europe. You've sent me this email with regards your Hotpoint H1D80WUK and you're telling me it's not heating. There's a few reasons it might not be heating. One is one of the safety cutout thermostats may have gone open circuit, or possibly another cycling thermostat may have failed, or the heating element itself may have failed. Now the reason these components normally fail is either down to bad maintenance or misuse of the machine. Let me explain. When you set the tumble dryer to run for an hour-long period, it should always finish its cycle before you open the door. If you open the door mid-cycle to check if the clothes are dry and then take the clothes out and just shut the door and turn the machine off, the machine has not had its 10-minute cooling down period which it needs to allow things like the heater and the thermostats to cool down to an acceptable level so they don't go open circuit or blow the element. The other reason being is a lot of people do not do any maintenance on these machines. Now, the ducting circuit on these vented tumble dryers needs to be maintained every year to every 18 months, depending on how often you use the machine. Let me tell you some places that really do clog up on these machines. If you pull the filter out by the door and look down the actual ducting unit, it has a tendency to clog with fluff in this area, and you need to get a vacuum cleaner and actually clean out this to increase the airflow through the machine. Also, the ducting pipe that comes from the machine through the wall or wherever you have got it ducting to needs to be cleaned occasionally. If these pipes clog up with fluff and lint, the airflow is restricted, and this can cause a serious problem with the machines overheating, and this could be the reason why your machine has either blown the heating element or possibly one of the thermostats or cutout safety thermostats. Anyway, I've put some videos on the web page that I've created for you, and the link is in the description below on this video. This will take you through to a page that has all the relevant videos to maintain your machine, check the heating system, or replace thermostats. There is also some exploded views of your machine on the page as well, and there are links on the page to take you through to any component that you need on your dryer once you've actually diagnosed what the problem is. As I said, I'm away working at the moment. If you do get stuck with anything, feel free to contact us, but do be aware it could take me 24 to 48 hours to get back to you as I'm traveling at the moment. Hope this article helps you. Good luck with your repair.